Hello friends, in this video I want to talk about a problem which I have written here. Print length of a string using string function. So while I say string function, it means str. And secondly, we have to include something which is related to string. Now let me say that string.h. I have included this here in this program. What it means, I'll talk about this a while. So print length of a string using string function. So for that I want to have a character which is string of 100, and another I want to have an integer length. Let's take a value from the user. I say just enter a string to know the length. So here I want to have a new line, and after that I just say that gets. It is another method which it takes the str bracket, and after that length is assigned to str, the str which str of length str length. So I just want to pass here the str which is a string. So when I pass this and I now print something, I just want to print the length of a string as %d number. Let's have this in new line, str and length. So in first line, while I see that I have included a string.h, it means that I have imported this into this program because I'm using a string here. What does string contain? String, it contains string length, which is this STRLEN, string copy, strcpy, gets, all these methods it includes. So while I include this, it means I can access to this one, to this function here, to this function here. So at first I say in this line I want to say that character is string 100. It means to store a string with length of 100. To store string with length of 100, which means it can store 100 letters. This is when I say string means something which is like letters. It contains letters. So when I say length, to store the length of given, which will be taken from the user. What will be taken? String, this string. So I say in this line, first enter a string to know the length. I take a letter or a string from the user to know the length, and after that I just have this method, gets method, which we pass the string as an argument, and after that we just assign this length which we declared here, and now we initialize here. Length is equal to or assigned to string length str. We just pass this here, and after that we just print the string and length, this string and length, which after evaluation. Let's run this. We just see what will be the output. While I run this, I've gotten an error. I've written here print. I must write here printf. So when I run this, I just see here that enter a string to know the length. So I just want to enter as usual hello world. See, the length of hello world is 10. You have seen here length is 10. Obviously 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10. Let's run this once again. Oh, the same program has been run. So let's run this once again. I want to enter hello world. This is coding is thinking YouTube channel. See here the length 54. It means 54 letters are here.